Dropship crafting system will allow high level of automation, where a player will be able to set up production lines. All dropship objects are part of the crafting system and have their specific roles. A part of that, dropship landing animations was improved with particle effects and moving soil to support the visual of a dropship making its way to the surface. Hello and welcome to another Volcanoids dev diary. Each dropship works as a mobile base carrying everything with it, including all production. To support all types of crafting, we broke modules and devices into several focused groups, such as research in green, production in blue, raffination in red, and storage in yellow. All objects can be combined into a large automated system where you only care about input and output. Let me show you a few examples. In this basic production, drones bring ore material that automatically goes to cargo module. Refinery control station takes the ore item and uses refinery module to create ingot that is sent back to cargo module for further use. In this more advanced production, you can see control stations with assigned infinite production of items that are created when requirements are met. There is much more to production system, but we will cover it in the future dev diaries. Control station is one of the most important interior objects, since it works as a connection point between multiple modules. Each station works as an access point where player can set one item that is produced. Production, refinement, and research have its own control stations. Player can build multiple stations and assign item for each one of them. Stations then share available module capacities. The balance between number of control stations and modules is up to the player. The only difference is time it takes to produce an item. When dropship makes its way to the surface, it plays effect of soil pushed from the ground and leaves tracks behind as it moves forward. With the new dropship models, we decided to improve the soil objects and animations. Everything was remodeled and animated to better support the illusion of dropship making its way out. We also added a new element at the front of the dropship that simulates soil pushed forward. The effect of moving soil will be added by moving UV coordinates of the texture. Soil models together with particle effects greatly increase the visual of the dropship. It really feels like a heavy machine is making its way on the surface. To finalize the surfacing animation, we used Unity timelines to combine all objects and effects together. Timelines are a great help, as it shows us what's happening and allows us to adjust everything as needed. This is the final result of the surfacing animation. It still needs some work on the particle effects, but other than that, it's a great improvement. NPCs will play a big role in Volcanoids, as they will seek and attack player. We want to make sure bots can follow player even into the dropship and destroy any equipment that is not protected. Based on experience from previous projects, we want to test the NPC navigation meshes in the dropship before we move on with any further NPC implementation. So far it worked well and it seems like there are no bigger issues. That's all for this week's dev diary. Next time we will focus on GUI design and overall screen layout of all objects player will interact with. We want to make sure crafting and other systems are well presented to the player. If you have any questions about the game design or features, feel free to ask in the comments. First playable alpha version is still in making. Currently we are polishing the core gameplay. If you would like to be notified once alpha is ready, please sign up on our website volcanoids.com. Thank you for watching and see you next dev diary.